Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. It's that time of the year again, scorching sun, dripping sweat, and endless craving for something cool and hydrating. Well, nature has given us the perfect summer buddy, the humble cucumber. So today, I'm going to share 8 incredibly refreshing ways to enjoy cucumbers this summer that will keep you cool, hydrated, and satisfied. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Classic cucumber salad. Nothing beats the simplicity of a crisp cucumber salad. Just dice up fresh cucumbers, onions, and tomatoes. Drizzle some olive oil, squeeze fresh lemon juice, sprinkle a little salt and black pepper, and toss. It's crunchy, tangy, and takes literally 5 minutes to prepare. Perfect with lunch or dinner, or even as a light snack. Number 2. Cucumber lemon detox water. Want to ditch sugary sodas? Try this. Slice cucumbers and lemons thinly, add them to a jug of chilled water, and let it infuse for a few hours or overnight. This naturally flavored water helps flush toxins, keeps your skin glowing, and looks super pretty on the table. Bonus tip, add a few mint leaves for an extra burst of freshness. Number 3. Cucumber yogurt raita. Grate cucumbers into a bowl of thick yogurt. Add a pinch of roasted cumin powder, a bit of black salt, and some fresh mint or coriander. This is not just cooling, it also aids digestion and balances out spicy dishes beautifully. Try it with rice, curries, or even as a dip for grilled meats. Number 4. Cucumber mint sorbet. Who says sorbet has to be loaded with sugar? Blend cucumber, fresh mint leaves, a squeeze of lime juice, and a teaspoon of honey. Pour it into a shallow tray and freeze. Every hour, scrape it with a fork to create a light, fluffy sorbet texture. It's an unbelievably guilt-free frozen treat. Number 5. Cucumber salsa. Want to spice things up? Chop cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, and cilantro. Mix it all with lime juice and a pinch of salt. This salsa is fantastic on tacos, grilled fish, or simply with tortilla chips. It's crunchy, zesty, and adds a fresh twist to your meals. Number 6. Cucumber smoothie. Toss cucumber chunks into a blender with pineapple, mint leaves, and a splash of coconut water. Blend until smooth and enjoy a hydrating, tropical drink that your body will thank you for. It's perfect after a workout or a walk in the sun. Number 7. Cucumber skewers. Cut cucumbers into thick chunks, then thread them onto skewers along with cherry tomatoes, cheese cubes, and olives. It's a colorful, fun snack that kids and adults both love, and it's so easy to prepare for summer get-togethers. Number 8. Cucumber sandwiches. An old-school favorite that never fails. Spread cream cheese or a little hummus on whole wheat bread, layer thin cucumber slices, sprinkle some salt, pepper, and fresh dill.